morning, happy Sunday. I am about to go sketching, plein air sketching or urban sketching with the Urban Sketches group, and I'm taking you along. This is just what I need. It's been a crazy busy week, and it just sounds amazing to just sit for a couple of hours with my sketchbook and just draw. We've been invited, the local chapter have been invited to this nature center for the Wildflowers Day, and I am going to find my Urban Sketches group and just spend a couple of hours just being in the moment and drawing, and I'm taking you along. I've been drawing for a couple of hours, and I've tried to show you my process. When I draw, I usually try to plan ahead, and I knew that I wanted, because this is the day of the wildflowers, they try to spread information about wildflowers and wildlife, so I definitely wanted the flowers to be present on my drawing. And then, because of the weather, I found shelter in the furthest away from the building, so I can sit and draw, because we've had some rainfall, but I managed to find a dry spot, so I've been drawing the view of this amazing meadow with the building in the background. And I'm just going to flip you around. So this meadow with this almost pink-toned grass is just absolutely beautiful. So that was, I definitely wanted that on my drawing, and this is the result. The paints had difficulties drying today because of the humidity, but this is my final sketch, and I wanted the wildflowers there as well because it is the day of the wildflowers. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video from my day today, and I'm gonna go down and meet the other urban sketches, and I will go home and edit this and post it, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.